Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Thanksgiving leftover egg rolls. These egg rolls are so good. You're gonna like them even more than your main Thanksgiving meal. Plus, they're super fun to make and everyone can get what they want. To start, go ahead and pull out all your Thanksgiving leftovers. Today I'm using leftover Thanksgiving turkey and some mashed potatoes, leftover stuffing and cubed up ham, sweet potatoes and some cranberry sauce, some corn and of course gravy for dunking, leftover apple pie, and some pumpkin pie. Now I know you may not have all of these leftover ingredients, but the combinations are endless, so make them with whatever you've got. Let me show you a few of my favorites. To start, grab yourself an egg roll wrapper and put it on a flat surface. These wrappers can be found at your local grocery store or even at an Oriental market. Then to our first roll, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of leftover mashed potatoes. Then about 2 tablespoons of stuffing and some of that leftover turkey. And finish that off with a little bit of cranberry sauce. For our second roll, I like to call it the yam and ham. I'm going to spoon on some yam and sprinkle on some ham. Make sure to like and subscribe for more creative names. Our third roll is going to contain a spoonful of corn, a spoonful of potatoes, and a pinch of turkey. Then if you're looking for something for that sweet tooth fix, grab another egg roll wrapper and throw in 1/4 cup of your leftover apple pie, crust and all. Then for another fun twist, do the same thing with the pumpkin pie. These dessert ones are my favorite. They're so simple. Tell me what your favorite combination would be. I'd love to know, so tell me in the comments below. Once you're done with your combinations, it's time to wrap. To do that, you need to arrange those ingredients into a line from corner to corner. To wrap this up into an egg roll, you're going to get a cup of water and dip your fingers into it. Run your fingers along the edges of that wrapper. Once all the edges are wet, take the 2 closest corners and fold them together. They need to cover it at least 1/2 inch, but they don't need to touch. Then we're going to pinch down those corners that are touching. Now grab one of the non-folded corners and pull it over the ingredients. Then tuck and roll, just like a burrito. Then once they're all rolled, we're going to head over to the stove. Then get 3 inches of your favorite frying oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure whatever pan you do use, it's not more than halfway full. Once heated, carefully place that egg roll into the hot oil, flap side down. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until that exterior is more golden in color, occasionally turning in that oil. Once they are finished, carefully place them on a paper towel lined sheet. Then let these cool for a few minutes. For the savory ones, I like to dunk them in either the gravy or the cranberry sauce. For the sweet ones, I like to sprinkle them with cinnamon sugar when they're fresh out of the oil. Add on some caramel or some whipped cream. No matter what you do, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can get the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out our website, thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.